Mabuhay Pilipinas, this is Jeff and this is the Pinoy Tech Channel. Today, I will be unboxing my book, Western Digital. USB 3, 2 terabytes. Let's see what's inside the box. .3.0 USB cable, AC adapter, quick install guide. This is the power switch, Kensington lock, USB 3.0 port, power adapter. Testingin natin sa Mac Mini kung anong speed niya. And that's all in the box. .100 MB. Pumapalo ang right. Sa read naman 100 MB, 108. At ngayon, kung gagamitin mo naman sa tunay na buhay ang speed ng MyBook, makakapag-copy ka ng 4 GB file in less than 45 seconds. Kung gusto niyo pa makakita ng mga unboxing sa susunod na mga video ko, please like and subscribe. Nakakatulong ito sa channel ko. Thank you. Have a nice day.